Ang gagawin ko na po pala human beatbox. Ang ibig sabihin gumagawa ko ng iba't ibang unique sound sa pamagitan ng aking bibig. Parang ganito po. Listen to the sound. Lahat po ng marinig nyo yung magagaling sa bibig ko. Lahat po nalagyan na CD o USB sa sound system. Sana po magustuhan nyo. Okay guys, handa na ba kayo? Parang mahina. Is the band handa na ba kayo? Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the Zeman Beatbox Special Performance. Boy. Or MP. Listen. Look up in the sky. Get ready, wala bang balak po, June? Okay, listen. This is Andrew E. Banyo Queen. Pwede niyo po ba akong sabayan? And 3, 2, 1, ako'y nasa Malate. Okay, listen. Audience, judges, meron po akong 5 tunog na pagsasabay-sabayin. And listen to my sound. 1, 2, and 3, 4, again, 4, and 5, again, 5, 5 sounds all together. Palakpakan naman po. Listen. 1, 4, 5, gigil ako eh. Palakpakan naman po. Okay guys, gusto nyo ba ng party? Isa ba, gusto nyo ba maki-party? Okay, listen close. Okay, big out, more beat now, big box now, what's wrong now? Jump. Pag sinabi kong beat, sabihin nyo box. Beat. Pag sinabi kong sabihin nyo. Ready? Cherries. Palakpakan naman po. Board of Judges, listen. DJ Bonbon, the mix. Palakpakan naman. Come on, clap. Let the beat drop. Three, two, one, go! Palakpakan naman po. Board of Judges, listen to my sound. Listen to my sound. Listen to my sound. Listen to my sound. Mas i-level up na natin. Sa puwet, isang A muna dyan. Everybody say A, 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 A. Yeah. Okay guys, gusto ba ng 40-40? Gusto ba maki-40? Board of Judges, i-level up na natin. Okay, DJ, off the light. DJ, off the light. Put your hands up. What people here? Thank you po, maraming salamat.